It is the Tuesdays. And y'all know what happens on Tuesdays. It's chaos time. And actual chaos because spaghetti cold. Come everyone. To VRA Tuesdays. Hello Junior. How you doing today? Hopefully you're doing good. I must say I am there's just one face to describe it right now, just... Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I was like, alright, for those who don't know what I mean by that face, alright. Yesterday night, I posted the, Abidjan, like, the release day and pricing, both at the end of the stream and also on Twitter. Like, alright, I post this. Alright, then because it's very late, I have to go to bed, so I will just go to bed. And now wake up. Oh boy, I need to go to work. Alright, let's go check Twitter for a second. Wait, what? I was just, I seriously have no words. No, really, I really have no words to the support. There's just so much support. That tweak broke like loads of personal records. I never had a tweet that just got that many, like attention, ever. So it kind of broke me a little bit, in a good way, of course. Don't worry, it's in a good way. But man, I'm so happy to just see how many people are like supportive with the Abidjan. Just wanted to mention that. Before going to the chaos of today. But, yeah, believe me, I'm gonna deliver. I'm still working very hard, like crazy hard. Like, you would not believe me how hard I'm currently working at. I'm currently finishing up everything. But, yeah, I'm gonna deliver something great. So, yeah. Just wanted to mention that quick before starting the stream. Apart from that, how you doing? Yeah, doing. Hopefully you're doing good. Alright. Right, I have my browser pages trying to get everything ready. Yesterday, dang it. Let me open up the Unity project. Today we're gonna go on the VRA project. So the VRA cam, again. If it wasn't obvious by the current webcam I'm using. And try and do some stuff. So there's always the extra UI, which I am in the work in progress of doing. I could also potentially completely fail miserably at trying to implement another tracking method, because you know, with Steam VR, it's literally impossible to have OpenXR games open at the same time without one of them breaking. So that's a bit of a problematic. Anyway, I need to figure out that and figure out how it works, because these quite pragmatic. I could open the project and see, like, I want to do the UI, but I honestly feel like having the tracking work in like both SteamVR and OpenXR applications is like a must. It needs to be done. So I've got a test app to see if I can implement something. Like it's a demo project. See if I can just implement getting those trackers and the tracking points. Like I would ideally need to get headset, controllers, and trackers. So pretty much any SteamVR device. But that's a bit more problematic because that library is kind of obscure. A little bit obscure. But it's the only one that would allow for what I intend to do. Because the webcam, it needs to work just as a standalone app. It doesn't require VR. You don't need a headset to use the webcam. You just need a tracker on your head. So ideally, I would need something that does not render to a headset and that can get SteamVR tracking devices while other frameworks can run. This one is one that can work. Potentially, if I make it work. Because it does get the tracking devices, but it does not render to a headset. It just gets the tracking points. And I just need to get that working. And last time I tried, I made an Avigen instead. Last time I tried. There we go. Did not go so well. So there's the example. And right now it just says, well, actually, does it see them? See them. Driver HTC Vive report. No USB devices detected. Base the little one doesn't make it. Okay, so this time it detected it. Where is it? Hang on. Did it detect anything? No, I mean, it did not create anything though. It said base-centric SVD, dummy, human only. What the heck? It sounds complicated because it kind of is. It is already some kind of like super obscure API, which I feel can potentially work. So I'm doing like a test project just to see if I can detect a tracker. And if so, then I can implement it in the webcam and completely yank SteamVR out of the equation. I first need to make it work though. Which I have a bit of trouble with. So let me check the script. That's the okay. You don't see the script right now. Just trying to see something. So so this object is does it return anything? Does it return anything? Oh god. Let me press play again. see if something gets printed. Nothing gets printed. Did I save the script? I saved it. Ah. I don't know. Hey, out there. Hello. Okay, thank you for the reset with Prime. 7 months. Holy crap, BMO. How are you doing today? Just tonight. I'm suffering here. Trying to get a library to work. While eating chips. Not working. Doing fine, nice to hear. The plugin is there. I tried to install something. If you that literally just doing. If you press escape, quit. Yeah. That's it. That's all it does. Also, I forgot. Stop this music. Let's play some chilled music instead. Where's my chilled? Chilly. There we go. Their usual playlist. Well then. Prototype object. That's not gonna do anything. What does this do? Let me check the script. This is so strange. I really don't know how that library works. Like, I've got the docs next to me as well. Like, I want to use the high level API, not the low level. So if I get something, okay. Okay, so it's reading that. Man, there's so much dead code. I'm just reading through it right now. Earliest ID. Okay, so it does get the prototype object fine, so that's good. Yeah, okay, so. Huh. Let me see, so that just returns a survive object. So it returns like a tracker or something. It returns a fun stuff. Okay, so that returns a tracking point, which is a game object. Ah. So the wall in the update does not trigger. Like, I only have one tracker right now, which is the one on my head right now. I want to press play. Since whatever these are. transposers. But how actually would I need to calibrate? I don't know. Uh-huh. No USB device detected. Java SDG5 report status -1. What would happen if I plug in my index? I mean, I would need to restart my webcam, of course. So that's sad. But maybe I'll see what happens if I plug in the headset in. Let me see. Try again. Now I got my index open. Let's see what this says now. Oh. Oh. Did it see the tracker? Oh. That's a lighthouse. Lighthouse. T20. What's T20? Is that a headset? Wait. That must be the headset. It is the headset. Okay then. So that is the headset. It detected the headset, but it did not see the tracker. Is it properly calibrated though? I think it is. What would happen if I took my tracker and slapped it on the ground? It needs to be static to actually calibrate. Okay, there are some issues with positioning. A lot of issues with positioning, actually. Is that set inside fine? Yeah, the headset inside is perfectly fine. Okay, so it's really just this that's kind of sucking right now. Hey, Blackout! Hey! Congrats! Yeah, let me just go back to life for a second. There you go. Hey, Blackout! Congrats! You got it! Let's go! Got a license! Let's go! There we go, I roll out plus for blackout, getting a driver's license. Congrats! Yeah, you deserve to come in the car. Hey, get over here. Happy birthday. Get over here. There you go. Here. Congrats!
Hey! I got my license!
Congrats, you got it! Oh, that Discord crashed. Let's go, Discord crashed. Thank you. Discord crashed. Great, turn it away, god damn it.
I'm gonna try to boot up mine and see if my Discord crashes. Nope, it didn't.
Yeah, Discord's like, let me just crash for a second.
That's what's been happening to me too, Mike.
Well, talking about crash. Talking about crashes, I think Unity crashed.
Bruh.
I think my Unity froze.
But yeah, like I was sweating during the driver's test, not gonna lie. And now I'm all sweaty and sticky.
Yeah, so pretty much
I'm gonna go take a shower.
so pretty much we're like this.
Yeah.
Anyway, I need to restart Unity, so damn it.
And also, don't take that out of context on that.
Take what out of context?
The fact that I'm sweaty and sticky.
It's fine, don't worry about that.
But yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower and then I'm gonna go take my car and go visit my dad real quick. So yeah, I
Okay.
will BRB. So it may be a long BRB. So BRB.
BRB. I forgot. I think the one that crashed is this one. Yeah, I have to go in the task manager. Oh, hi, Avigens. Yes, Avigens releasing on June 1st. So take notes. Well, let me just open up Onity again. The correct one this time. Ah, right. And this time, hopefully it doesn't crash. So this time I have the tracker underground, as you can see with the webcam. Let's see if the tracker is gonna calibrate. It did not detect. So I pause it for T20. I wonder if it's because it's connected to a Tundra dongle and it's not detecting that. Where's the tracker in there? It should say like tracker 2018. Hey, it is there. Maybe tracker 2018. Unless it's the dongle. It says adding track object KN0. KN1. And then T20. T20 is the headset. So the T20 is the headset. It's not the tracker. Like if I take the tracker, nothing happens in the app. But if I take the headset, now this is tracked. But it does look a little problematic, if I'm gonna be honest. It's a little problematic. I'm still wondering if it's really just a dongle. If I disconnect the Tundra dongle, and now I'm going to have to repair this sucker. Hang on, what happened if I turn on the controllers? If I turn on controllers, will it detect the controllers? It's not seeing them, at least for now. Let me repair the this dongle. Go, dongle. Paired, okay. Another thing is, if I exit the app, it's gonna crash Unity, I think. Is it gonna crash Unity? Yeah, that's Yep, seems like it. So that is another Task Manager. Unity, where are you? There you are. And okay, which one's gonna be? It's gonna be this one. F. Oh boy. Game Devin. Can only go so far without issues. Okay, let's see now what happens. It detects only the headset again. Huh. I need to detect the tracker. Why is it not detecting the trackers? I wonder, what would happen if I just quit SteamVR completely? Now the problem is, I won't be able to open up a tracker without opening SteamVR. Also, I do need to close off. I do need to flip it alt F. I need to Task Manager Unity again. That's a bit annoying. But let's see what happens if I don't have SteamVR running. What is it gonna say? Is it gonna see the headset without SteamVR? That's the question. And run. It saw base stations. Did it see the headset? I think it saw the headset. Alright, okay, so it sees the headset without SteamVR. SteamVR is not running right now. So that's a good thing. But that would be a problem of Unity just completely freezing up. But I need to open up a tracker without opening Steam VR. Still open Steam VR. I mean, it can run alongside Steam VR, so that's not a problem. Yeah, it's just not seeing it. That's interesting. It's really not wanting to know anything about the track on my head right now. So that's a bit problematic. Like, yes, I know there's a headset, but I also have a tracker, you know, on my head. Why are you not detecting it? Unity. Leap to Wave. Yeah, but it's kind of broken. What should I actually be able to do? Is it just have a previously donkey could escape? Should I be quit, but it's not doing it. Well, that's gonna be another Unity restart. That's beautiful. I still don't know if it's actually viable. Like, I don't know why the tracker's not being detected. That's a little problematic for my purpose. Also, stream's lagging now. Okay then. Not too much now. Why was it like freezing all of a sudden? Okay. Okay, Unity. Let me check the example video again. Yeah, so it sees the T20. I'm looking at the video. T20 is moving, and there is indeed a KN1 that should be created. But it's not being created. How does one user total per second? Okay, interesting. So having both running at the same time can cause issues. But honestly, it's not causing too many issues. At least because, I mean, there's like tracking loss with the headset, but even with SteamVR closed, there's some tracking loss. Demonstrating with confusion integrate object data. So long as they're mostly stationary, due to this you might notice lighthouse shift slightly. Well, I guess a good look. Thunder changed in area further. Yeah, this is hard. Like, I just need to get one tracker tracked. That's all I need. Okay, I just see. Okay, I'm gonna try and find the config file actually. And delete it. Which is gonna be. Why is the calibration saved? Bench? Maybe. Okay, let me check where it saves it, and now I'm gonna have to just delete this Unity again. App data. Okay, that explains it. I'm gonna just go and delete that file. Local, libsurvive, where is it? Libsurvive, config. No! And now bye-bye Unity. So now it should recalibrate libsurvive. It should completely reset. Why are you showing this? This is not the correct window. This is not the correct window. Let me get it correctly. There you go. Okay, so now the config is deleted. Book controller running, tracker running, headset running, see how that goes. Did we just create another flippin'... It's never gonna get the tracker, is it? It's never gonna get a tracker, is it? Let me check. Debug. Prototype object, okay. Uh-huh. I'm gonna have to restart Unity again. So that is not the problem. The config file is not the problem. Pretty sure. What's the config file then? I see Lighthouse 1, Lighthouse 0. What's the number of... That's the wrong camera. What's the number of objects? I want to see the list that it returns. I want to see the count of objects. I want to see how many of them exist in that list. 3. Still 3. Okay, so it does not see the other ones. Yeah, why does it create an object? when does it create an object? Let me check. Okay, so it needs to call get object. And I don't know if I can show the script, that's why it's hidden. So get object with the name. Well, they did. Okay, so I see how it kind of works. Like I'm just backward engineering this bad boy, and yeah, this is somewhere in the API. I think maybe lower or something, where it's not detecting the tracker buoy, which is a bit unfortunate because you know, I kind of want to have the tracker being tracked, and I don't think I can access that API because it's a DLL. It's a DLL, so it's deep inside the code. Hey, Paroy's Pet Club, hello. How are you? Hopefully doing good. I'm suffering with code. I don't know why that API sucks, but I kinda need it too. Is it even worth it with an API? I don't even know. I'm gonna be honest. Congratulations for suffering. Yes, the suffering of code. Yeah, so yeah, that API might be another day. Like, okay, so at least got a headset tracking, but it's not working really. It's just no, it's not working. That API is not working. Yeah, I'm gonna need either to find deeper on the internet another solution, or try even harder trying to implement it. So I think I might just continue working on the UI thing. So let's see what's up with that. Where is it? There. Found it. And also, Rose, have you heard about my my base, my new avatar I'm making, the Abijin? Have you heard about that? Have you seen the tweet that I just tweeted on my Twitter? I wonder if you've seen it. It's pinned. Yeah, June 1st. It's gonna be released June 1st. So, you wanna be a robotic bird? Then get the Abijin. On June 1st. And also, hello, Tony. Hello. Nice, wood, yes. And I even like did that video thing. That little banner video, which I'm very proud of. It looks really, really, really cool. Where is it? There it is. Check this out. So, yeah. And I need to promote my everything and just yeet this in your face. Well, yeah, June 1st. I'm still working super hard on it. It's almost unhealthy, but 2 weeks from now, it's gonna be released, so yeah. I'm just gonna save this little video here, that way I can keep playing it. In the future, let's do some UI stuff. So last time, where is it? First off, delete. There we go. Some UI stuff. Why is my whole computer's lagging, Elvis? And what's going on here? Is it because of this? How, computer? How dare you make me lag? No. That's good. Next up, what else can I close? I can close this one. Modify yes, whatever. From that. Close this. And this open on the side. I'm gonna close it as well. But I'm still gonna keep it because I might continue working on it later. Close this. Close this. Close this one. Close this one too. Close that. Close that. Close that. Close that. That is being used, but still close this. And that should be good. I think. It's not too bad. Oh no, it's still freezing quite a bit. Well then. And I can't close much now. Oh, you know what? Because I'm not using the index anymore, I'm gonna restart VR without the index this time. Without the headset. I don't need the headset for the webcam, so. Oh boy. There we go. Coming back. Boop. Alright. Well, there goes my head. I'm in the floor now. Hello, I'm part of the floor. Oh, but now it's. Come on, there we go. Thanks, webcam, for working. Oh god, I'm just seeing I've got like 7 extra notifications on my phone. I feel like, why do I feel like there's even more? There's gonna be a bazillion more things on my tweet when I'm gonna see it later. Won't it? Oh boy. And it's also the nothing's the lag. Great. There's really not much I can do for that. Okay, well, let's see for that UI. So what was done last time? So there was that UI. Oh yeah, last time we did the test builds. So I could potentially, just as a little example, let me just hide everything. Then we open up a folder on the side. Just gonna find the webcam. There it is, there it is, there. Bam. Just to show. Don't mind the test app 2 being like absolutely massive. There you go, just that's a little show. What was done last time. So, as you can see, there's a top webcam. And then there's a second app, which is going to be the settings app. From that settings app, I can go and let's say, right now, in the top bar, I've got like all those presets, which I can say preset 1 or preset 2. That's a little example. But I could also go via the settings app. Right, and I can also select a background from that settings app. So that would mean no need for having that top bar anymore, so it can only be the cameras, and the settings app will take care of absolutely everything. That's great. There you go. Yeah, I can close this for now. And that would take care of like controlling the avatars, controlling everything, blah 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 blah. And I'm currently implementing those settings as well, so and again, I need more buttons. I mean, I could potentially do like a cool little UI and everything, little animation and everything. So let's see. If I wonder, could I give like no, because I want the VRI background on behind it, so I'm gonna have to put the background. So the settings app, I want it to be a bit more vertical. Hey Magpie, hello. So I want the app to be a bit more on the vertical side. So let's see what resolution could I actually I would like that to be like resizable and everything. So resizable like this. Let's see what I can do then. Probably gonna import one of the backgrounds. Sprites, UI, and let me import one of the VRI backgrounds. Right, I need to go get to that folder now because it's a bit back in time now. Yeah, webcam. Hydro Iced Tea, well then. Hang on a minute. Where's the restaurant of this? That should be fine. Well, eBay 800, let me just check that. And just see if I can image, drop this in there. There you go. Now there's a background. Anyway, it's gonna be time for a little bit of iced tea if I can get myself untangled quick. There we go. Like, come on, headphone cable. No, bad headphone cable. There we go, iced tea now. Yeah. Which one's left? Oh god, there's like 2 cans of still have 4 bacons left. So that's what I'm gonna have to take for the next couple of streams. But yeah, can we get one moment of silence, please? Ah, refreshing. Pretty refreshing indeed. Ah, so that's the wrong camera. Like this one. There you go. Wait, thank you for the reminder. Okay, so this would be the UI thing. What's the positioning right now, huh? I don't want it to be centered, I want it to be like anchored something. I need to take those 2 buttons, yeah, those 2. Anchor them this way, just to be sure that the UI can look like that. Anchored over there. I think it works. That's what kind of res I should probably go for then. The product settings, resolution, presentation. No. Yeah, I want it to be here. Windowed. And it's zoo. Maybe... $600 by 400, maybe? Oh, that look. Switch. And no full screen switch. In the background, yes. For sequence since. Wait a minute. I want to see how it looks on the on my screen. There we go. Also move it to the other window just to be sure it looks fine. Can potentially make it a tad bit bigger. But that's interesting. What is it? Huh. Yeah, I guess my dual setup makes it look a little weird. Or 5650. I might do like... Oh, that would go off screen for some peeps. If someone is at like 720, that would suck. Maybe go as tall as I can feel comfortable going with UI. Okay, so that's right. Looks okay. I can also stretch it like okay. So what I'm gonna do, I think, because I don't want the UI to look weird either. Like the background needs to stay like this. But I need to put the UI on in front. And that UI needs to be expand instead. All right. I think that's gonna work. So if you rescale like this, it's gonna rescale the whole UI. But if you scale like this, it's just gonna make it like scrollable more. So I think this is fine. Uh-huh. Because the UI needs to be organized a bit better than this. Sure. This is really not pretty. But as a test, it does work. Then when it was this size, I would do maybe even bigger than that. Just a little bit bigger. Yoink. There you go. There you go. Alright. Is there a way to change the size of the text dynamically? It's not gonna be auto size, I think, but it's gonna work, I think. That's gonna work. Just quickly exporting something here. Alright. And it's connected. Does it still work? It does. Good. That's the advantage, is that I can build like... I can make all the commands work, and then I can just modify like the UI or something, or someone could make it like a full-on API, like a completely different app that connects in the same way, with the same commands and everything. And control the webcam using their own implementation of the settings app. Which is kind of nice to think about. So now let me import the UI elements of the webcam app. Is it gonna be the entire folder? I think so. Most of it, yeah. Okay. Show this an Explorer. Show this one Explorer. Yippity yoppity copy all of these over here. And move these here. Alright. So now I've got the buttons. Do I have Text Mesh Pro? I think those are Text Mesh Pro, so let me import also the font. So take this and this. Put it here. Alright. I don't want the computer. I don't know why my stream is jittering like that. This is just. What? Anyway. So now I've got the font. Is it this one? Was this one that I use? It was. Same bolt. There you go. Change this to be a gradient. Maybe. Very slight. Like that. And then the buttons themselves. I can put this. There you go. Nice. Okay, well there it is. So got buttons ready here. And it's also very readable from like a very small window like this. It's readable. Like I know for you it's probably not readable because it's very tiny on a 1080p monitor for you. Me it's 4K, so I can still read it. You it will probably look like this or something. Maybe. But it's quite readable. Let me just build and run and see how that looks in the build. Yeah, it looked good. Looks good. So then I could add like tabs and things like that. And make it odd animated and everything, which would look cool, I think. So let me see first. There's one thing I need to do quick. Splash screen. Show Unity logo now. Show splash screen now. Bad Unity. I don't want any of your logos in your branding. That's good. The icon I could potentially use. Oh, hey, the bird back.
Hi. It me.
From driving.
I drove by myself for the first time. It wasn't scary.
Wasn't scary. It's like, hey,
Nope.
it wasn't scary at all. But in reality, the fuck. But yeah, glad you got your
Since I got my
license.
license, I'm gonna take you out for driving practice.
I mean, you don't need to drive practice anymore, really, because you've got your license, but it's still good to have a refresher from time to time.
That is true. Yeast.
But then, yeah, now you can go anywhere, everywhere.
Which also pretty much means that I could come visit Canada.
Not necessarily.
By plane!
Well, technically, yes. I guess that counts.
Which also means that I could like also drive to a furry convention in my area or somewhere in my area.
You could, yeah. Yeah, are you driving like your parents' car, or you got your own car now?
My own car.
Oh, you got your own car. Oh, wow, nice. Nice.
Anyway, back to stream.
Back to whatever the chaos I've created here is.
What chaos have you created, Mike?
UI.
A what? A UI?
UI, yes.
A what?
UI.
It almost sounds like you're saying Hawaii.
But why?
Why?
But why?
But why?
Why do I need to create a UI?
Oh, why did you create a UI?
Cause I need to, I guess.
But you don't need to.
Yeah, right, deliver a product which is completely unusable because you don't know where anything is. Alright, I gotta find... Okay, so I need to go find the, While I'm at it, I'm gonna add the icon for,
Hey,
where is it?
I think in the weekend I'm gonna apply for Starbucks.
Nice. Okay, I think I'm gonna try and find, like, I want to find the camera icon that I'm using in the logo and place it as the icon of the webcam. There it is. Found it. What?
Should I hit the humans? Oh, never mind. I don't have 50,000.
That's right.
But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go make myself some foods and BRB what the.
Okay.
Okay,
BRB.
BRB. BRB.
Maybe. Okay, I need to set the icon size to fit the correct thing. What would be the best scaling for this? Hang on while I create an icon. There you go. This one. You got the icon ready. Let me see this as just icon. And smack it somewhere. Assets, main VRCam, UI, icons. There. Over here. Does it need to be a sprite? No. Just drag this in. Bam. And would that still be set if I set it to be strategy UI? Yes, it is. Okay. Icon done. And now I kind of want to boot the webcam with the settings as well. Is there a way to boot another application? Like, I would like to link the threads together. Actually, no, it's simple. I can send messages back and forth between the two. So if I open either of them, actually no, if I open the main webcam, that's the one that I need to touch. If I open the main webcam, the camera, it's gonna on start run an application. Unity run separate app. Let me see. Open an external program. Still diagnostic start. Interesting. I wonder if that would work. Hey, Masonic. Hello. Welcome. I do wonder if that's gonna work though. I found like a line of code I can potentially use. How can I even do that one? Hang on, I've got a solution. That's called... That controller is dead, damn it! Damn it, controller! Piece of crap! There we go. Like Denny's. We like them. I like him for the beat. There we go. Back to the supporter boy. Anyway, so now I've got this running. Does it work? Yes, it does still work. Okay, good. Okay, so, and now this has the icon. Alright. Now I'm wondering, what would happen if I... So, what is application data path? Okay, let me check. In the webcam app. Which script would I need to run? The E script, yes. That is indeed the correct script to run. But there might be another option. There's E, I think it's just written with E's. So I don't know if I can type in the application path using only E's. So there might be something else I can use. It's, I know I've got a game manager somewhere. Game manager. I'm not even using the script. Oh no, wait, what? No, the script is being used. Okay, well, why is it toggled up then? Okay then. Anyway, where's Visual Studio? There. So I want to do on Awake. I found a script line that can potentially be used. Looks like this. So data path slash what's the name of it? I can go like settings app. And what's the app being exported called? If I go to builds, it's gonna be called like this. So if I go in here and then paste the program there, I call it settings app. That should boot up the exe. on boot. So let's see if it boots up. I will report back if it boots up because you won't be able to see it pop. Play. Your system cannot find the pop if I ding it. What is the data path then? We do a catch as well. Found, tested in plus whatever this is. There. Like that. Okay. I want to see what path it's trying to take. What path will it take? It's trying to go in the assets. Ah, okay. That's not the one I want. I'm gonna want directly in the install folder. If I take a look at it's not the loader, it was the avatar switcher. Okay, so let's go avatar loader then. So it's trying where? Right, okay, right, I have to go back one. I just have to go back one, it should work. Okay, let's see if that boots up the settings yet. Ooh. Hey, it did. Check this out, I'm gonna show my main screen. Check this out. Play. Webcam runs, settings that runs. Why the heck when I move that window it just completely freezes the stream? Is it really freezing the stream? I don't have my preview next to me, so I can't tell. Can I Firefox update? Ow. Boom. I need to see. I've been having issues recently with that computer. I'm on the little laptop that's good. Load the page. That poor little lady. There we go. Get out now! I don't care about the chat allies. No. Bye. Okay, the stream preview is running. I just want to see if it actually freezes the entire stream. Does it? It does. Well then. Yeah, I don't know. Why is it like that? It's like the system is not even being used too much. It's not the virtual cam. Interesting. Like, it's been doing that with my other webcam too. So that it's not the webcam, it's really the whole system that's just dying, I guess. For some reason. I guess I'm working too much on the Evigen, ain't I? Right, so the settings app boots on startup. So now the idea is that on application quit, I send a message via the TCP protocol saying, "Hey, shut up," and closes the other application automatically. If I close the settings app, it's not too bad. It's fine. If I close, however, the main webcam, there's no point of having the settings app open anymore, so I'm gonna send an application quit message through here. That's the idea. So an application quit. Where's the TCP manager though? Is it aesthetic? No, it's not aesthetic. You know what? I could potentially make it an instance of itself. Just the instance. No, that's gonna be a public. Settings UI. It's not gonna get, okay then. VRA cam. Settings UI com. There we go. Instance. On awake AF instance. If it does not exist, then instance equals this. There you go, there's game object, or whatever. Or just game object, that should work. Else, I wanna destroy the game object. Like that. That way this instance is gonna exist. Semisha, does it have no? I'm gonna make a string message equals this. to send, I guess, just a message. That's a message. Strings are a message. I don't need to set a new string. There you go. So I can send a TCP message like that. I don't need to test this, that works. In the game manager, I can do the uicon.instance.send message, which I also need to put public. Send TCP message. And what's the layout of the settings? How does that work? What's the format? I'm gonna send like settings. This. I'm gonna send this message in. Hey, Fire Dragon. Hello. Welcome. So many pets. Not a pet, a heart, and a squish. Hello. How you doing? Hopefully you're doing good. I'm doing some insane Unity trickery. So let me see what's gonna happen when I boot up this. I'm gonna go boot up the other one too. As a client. I'm gonna boot up the webcam. And it's already running. Okay, yeah, that's fair. Okay, and now when I press get out of play mode, it should send a message to the other app saying application quit. But what you didn't. I'm not doing. I'm doing pretty well. I am actually very excited to release as well all this next stuff. I'm working on this, but right now my excitement and my all my workforce is really towards the Avigen. June 1st. Like damn it, June 1st. Yeah, I've been actually extremely ridiculously busy with whatever this is. Someone help, I'm addicted to Avigen. Somebody help. Let me quickly actually put this somewhere. Copy transform of this. Face transform. And put this behind the UI. There you go. Working on this. I really don't know why like the whole stream is like freezing from time to time. Like I've got some very severe lag spikes. And when I move a window, the entire stream dies as well. Oh, interesting. I'm trying to literally tab in Task Manager and the whole thing dies too. What? If I go to like details. What? Okay. Ah. You change that. That never works, but still gonna do it just in case. No, yeah. Frame. Like I almost need to close like everything on my computer just to run super smooth. Or like so that it doesn't like lag spike as well, but now it's just lag spiking like crazy. Kinda sick of that. Of the lag spikes. I really don't know what's causing this. Is my keyboard also freezing? Oh, that's fine. Actually, like, UET lags as well at the same time. There's something that's causing this to happen. I really don't know what though. But not this. Huh. This is so annoying. Now it's fine. Ah, so it's with the other window, it just completely dies. How with this window, everything dies. Let me hide some stuff. That's fine. Hide this one. Yeah, Jinfree gonna be the hottest mixtape drop ever. Yes! Yes! Everybody hype for the Effie train. Yeah, everybody hype for that. Fan flippin-tastic. Okay, let me try something. If I want to hide loads of that stuff. Let me clean up a bit the whole string thing. Keep that one, and that one. Did that happen anyway? Nope, it's still lag spiking. Okay then. Well, gonna have to do with it then. Anyway. Ah, something there. Okay. Some stuff. Yeah, right. Well then. Okay. Back to whether this is. Okay, so where was it? So the application starts, but the message does not get received or anything. So let me just do a quick like test message or something. Just to see if the other one gets it. At least. Like, this app should get in the console a message when the other one quits. So let's see, let me quit that one and... nothing got sent. Let me do get the key code again. Let's see if I can, if it still works to send message at least. I need to know if it works. So, right. Let me just do a quick send message like that. So, let me do play again. And if I press enter, it should send the message. Send message test. Messages. No receiver. No receiver? No receiver?
I'm back with the foods. Ah.
Hello.
And looks like my I'm gonna go clean up something real quick, so I'll be over here.
Yeah, BRB again. Alright, not even 5 seconds here. Okay, now if I press enter, there should be something that receives on the other app. And the app does not receive anything. Interesting. And this one's broken now too. Is it because I'm running two at the same time? Ah, that's because I'm running two at the same time. Hold up a second. I need to test like this. Hey. Now these messages are getting caught. This one needs to be restarted. Okay, and let's see if I do enter here, it should still send. Nope, it does not. Okay. Need to cut out that one. And connect here. It should still send. Yeah, It's connected to it. I can't send this message. That's fine if I do this. Okay, now it received it. Now the question is, what happens if I quit the application? It should say, message received, settings, shut down app, or something like that. Message received as settings, shut down app. Alright. So now I can do in the script. In the script for this, let me get out. And I'm gonna keep the webcam off for that one. Because I do need to have it uninterrupted. So let's see. If I go, oh god, what happened there? So I switch to webcam, listen for data, so I can do, I guess, a quick if. Server message equals that. And application quit. This should work. Yeah, this should work. So let me go and build this now. Build and run. I mean, I don't need to run it, but gonna keep it close for now. So now, if I boot the webcam up, so the settings app started. What happens if I press the play button again? Will the app quit? Will the app quit?
I'm back.
And it had no blackout. Yes, I heard. I was talking. It did not work. Not booting it either. I can boot it up, but it does not shut down. Okay, I'm gonna start doing some events now. Also, you might need to turn on noise reduction because I can hear your fan or some background noise. Okay. I need to turn this and start adding stuff. Do you have noise reduction on blackout? Blackout? Blackout. Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
Do you have noise reduction on?
Now I do.
There you go. I asked you like 5 times or something. I don't know. I did not count. Because I could hear a bit of background noise. Okay, let me... Okay, so what I would need to do... I want to have some kind of like debug thing in the settings app for like getting like the messages. Like, what message am I sending? Can't see anyway. I'm gonna do the delegate, just like I did with the other one. Just like that. So on received message, invoke if it exists, server message. Now I can go back to Unity and I can do another script. C# script debug UI. There you go. Yeah, okay, so Unity, yeah, okay. So I will do a function message received string message, and now I want to do these are income sender dot on received message plus on message received and on destroy I'll remove it. There you go. Simple enough. And on message received, I don't want to change a UI text. I might do TMP or something. TMP text. Text equals put this in plus message plus this. And I kind of want to put like a timestamp. Is that in seconds or is it I'll do like that. So now in this, I can go in and get the wrong Unity window, and then at the bottom of this, I'm gonna put the text. So let me put a UI text mesh pro. I want this to be like the full width. Align bottom, align there. There you go. I'll keep it like that. If I press play here, I'll press play in the other one too, actually. Close these two. Play this. So no message received yet. If I press enter here, it received that. But it did not update the text. Oh, right, because the text needs to be set. And I also need to put the script on the damn thing. Of course. I'm dumb. And of course set it public so I can see it. Bam. And if you play this and I send a message from the other one. No reference exception, good. Can we call the main what do you mean? Ah, damn it. Right. Okay then. I forgot about that. Maybe new times and start like that. Put an update. Yep, nope, wait. Times and startup equals whatever this is. There you go. Okay, that should fix it. So let's try. Bam. Damn it. IRCS. Get is active enabled. Can I be calling me? Brady. Well then. Okay then. I guess I'm gonna do the same setup as the other one. Like that. See message. And then if receive message is not equal to this, there, I can read that variable now. Something. No, dang it. Oh, no. Not what I want to do. Take this. Put it there. This bit. Take this, put it there. And then receive message equals whatever. There. That should fix it. And then received message equals the message. Back to Nichi. And bam. There you go. And the timestamp works too. So now if I quit there, it should say on application quit. Or settings shut down, yeah. So what's the message I'm trying to test here? Am I even testing anymore? What did I receive? Settings shut down app. Let me check. Okay, let me try. Okay, let me try. Another manager. Let me do a script, I guess. The processor. That's gonna process the communications that get received. Boop. So let me do this. Copy both of these. Paste them here. Okay, so that's received. So the message gets received here. So then let me go here and do, so this is not, okay, so. Received message. Yeah, I want to be sure it works, and that it's not like the application quit that just glitches out or something. So, if that happens, all right, and then receive message equals nothing at the end. Right, let's take a look. So now the debug should still work. And I need to restart the Unity app. Nah, it's not gonna work anymore because the server just started. Dang it, let me just quit. Play again. So received a test message and it did debug. If I quit this, what can we quit? Ah, I did not even. Can only be called from the main thread. Okay, so it does work. But debug did not even. Oh, the debug log worked. Ah, it did a trigger? Did it even trigger? That's the question. Hey, we start the webcam again. Start this one. Be sure it works. And then quit. And nothing happened. No, wait, what? Hold up a second. Not even a debug happened. There was not even a debug. What? And no debug happened. Did I mess up something here? Why did I mess up here? This triggers, but this does not. Ah. So the debug UI works, but not this one anymore. What? One script works, the other one does not. Yeah, those work. Ah. What? Yeah. The message gets... That doesn't make sense. It should... It did the debug earlier. Why is it not doing it now? They not put the script in. They did not even put the script in. Well, I'm a dumbass. I did not even put the script in. That's why it did not work. There, and I just received. Now if I do bam. There you go. It should trigger. The application quit should trigger. Quit the app. There it is. Now let's try that again. So instead of doing just a debug log warning, I'm gonna do an actual application without quit. Because I know it should trigger. And I'm confident enough I'm gonna build. Just build. Actually, no, you know what? That's because I'm building in the wrong folder. That's why it never worked, because I was building the damn wrong folder. That explains it. I need to build in the other one. There. Replace. Okay, so now let's see if that works. So let me boot. This, it should boot the webcam. Alright. And if I quit out of the webcam, it should quit as well the settings. And it did! So you can open up that. Check this out. Yeah, put the windows like that. Check this out. I'm gonna boot this one up. And as you can see, it's gonna pop the settings app over here. And the moment I press, like remember, it's right there. The moment I press the pause, it should quit. Bam. Just like that. Now the settings app automatically boots when you boot up the webcam. But you can close the settings app after as well. I could put a setting in the setting app to open up the setting app automatically or not as well. I could do that. And that would save into the same like save files. So yeah. Actually I would need to, where would I save this actually? What are the preferences? It's set to settings app here. But ideally, I would need to use this as the save save. The logs could be problematic though, if I had to do like both of them in the same folder. So, I could keep them separate, and then if I want to read from the save file of the actual like app, I go to persistent data path, I go one back with the dot and then slash, and then I can go forward once into the actual correct folder because it's the same brand. It's Mike the Bird video webcam and Mike the Bird settings app. So that should work. Hey, Blackout. Are you not gonna leave in the next 5 seconds now?
No.
Ash, I'm talking about. Have you seen the settings app?
No.
Check this out, Blackout. Check this out. On the webcam itself, I press play. And bam, a second app boots up. Right there, just like VMagic. And then you can like adjust your webcam using this. Like that. And then when you close the webcam, bye-bye settings. Useful. Very nice.
Useful.
Got a sub that works.
On my
Like if
end, I'm just
V-Magic likes it up.
yeah, on my end, I'm just creating emotes.
Nice.
They know for Twitch
Are you doing emote while I make spaghetti?
Yes, spaghetti. Cookie.
I don't have cookies. Alright, good. So now it's just a question of making this like thing pretty and have the options and everything. So I was thinking a bit of the layout. You'd have your sidebar with all like the different like settings that you can access. It will contain like sub menus too, maybe. I don't know. Like it's just a question of like doing a good layout. How would I do the layout on that one? Because I have multiple tabs, like calibration, I have the desks, the avatars, the backgrounds. So let's see, maybe I could do... For avatars, if I click avatars, it will pop like a list of avatars on the side, including some options too. Like avatars, and then a sub menu with like avatar, a select avatar, and another one which is like avatar settings or something. So there will be like one sub menu max per. Can I implement that? That's the question.
Is it possible to implement that?
I mean, it is. I just need to figure out the best way to implement it.
Also, I like how you try to call me in the VC while I was at the DMV.
Well, I didn't know we were under the MV. I didn't know the driver's test for you was today. Unless you told me, but I don't remember because
Did I tell you
some stuff I really have like a memory of fish. Like if it's not visual, like I won't remember.
Also, here's a sneak peek of the emote I'm creating. Bam.
That the stream will not be able to see, unfortunately.
I know.
Oh damn, Sedge.
Sigs! Hey, by the way, I 3D modeled a teardrop, by the way.
Ah, nice.
Anyway, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go continue.
Okay, so the layout I had in mind would be at the top, like have some kind of little space, like a message or something. Image. I would call this top and full bar or something. So put there and stretch. So I want the top and full bar there. So top and full bar. I might want one then on the other side, stretch vertically. What is the size of the window I put actually? Actually, let me adjust the size of that UI. Like 1,000 width. There you go. That's gonna be a bit more precise. Uh-huh. Top and full bar, then the width. Now I'll do this as the width, I guess. And again, the settings can go on this part of the screen. All right, so do I have the VRA Cam logo somewhere? Do I have it somewhere in the file of the other one? I don't. Okay then. Let's include it. There you go. Sprite GUI, there we go. Apply this bad boy. Insert an image in there. There you go, just a little logo in the corner. There you go, put this here. It's a cozy little settings app.
Cozy.
Does that look like a cozy settings app?
Cozy and easy.
Is it cozy?
Cozy, fast and easy. I'm pretty happy that I got my driver's license.
Eh. Okay. Okay, probably gonna put like a grid there. So the main button grid, which I want to stretch the entire width. Do this entire thing. Layout, vertical group. There you go. Okay, good. Hey Joey, how's it going? Yeah, it's doing good. I'm ready to watch you. Separate settings app for the webcam. First off.
Billy G. Root.
And second of. Where is it? Second of. Avigin on June 1st.
UI stuff you're working on.
Yeah, Dad, but also Avigin on June 1st.
Wait, June 1st is my birthday.
Believe me, it's not because of your birthday, alright? It's just because it's the start of the month.
But the start of the month is also my birthday. It's
well, ask for an Avigin for your birthday.
I got an Avigin for my birthday. I'm touching.
It's a Barb Day as well. That counts as well. But a hatch day too. Yeah, I'm still like working quite a bit on this. Like I'm really finalizing stuff. I'm reorganizing some textures. Being sure everything works with like Beat Saber, for example. Like what I'm really missing, I'm currently fixing the back of the head. I've finally got around to actually make the shader for the head banner in the back, and I've included a couple things which is very funny. Like there's two static banners and then two scrolling ones. The first one is just like the one you've always seen before, so the Avigin where your stuff starts. The second static is just the Avigin icon, which looks pretty good, not gonna lie. The third one is a gradient that just scrolls around. And the fourth one, guess what it is? MikeDapper.itch.io/Avigin. It's just scrolling text like a flippin' ad banner. No, yeah, actually, hold up a second. Let me boot up the Unity for that. You gotta see. You gotta see that. Hold up a second. It's too funny to miss. Like, Avatar Mondays season 1 is over, by the way. Like, the staff concluded the series yesterday. So, there's gonna be a break before the next Avatar Monday season. I don't know what I'm gonna do on the Mondays right now. Probably just take it relax on Mondays for a little bit. Because I really worked my ass off on whatever this is. And also, by the way, when I prepared the blend file for that render, I noticed that I had a rim light in the back, and I had set up a rim light, but it's actually not showing, and I never realized it. It looked so good, I never realized the rim light was missing. That's because of the backdrop, actually. I thought I made it like one way, so only the front showed but the back was cold. But the light still does not go through and I never realized it. So the rim light's not even there, so it does not look as I intended, but it still looks dope. That's absolutely perfect. Anyway, Unichi, can you boot up quicker, please? Come on, Unichi. You piece of crap. There we go. There you go, there's Unichi. Check this out, Joey.
Yes, go.
Yoink. It did not grab the right thing.
And also, I had an issue with OBS too, where it just like restarted back to its default when you first time open up OBS.
By the way, OBS. By the way, OBS. No, this is not the VR webcam settings app. This is the VR chat SDK. OBS displays this as OBS displays this as the VR cam settings. Unity, not the VR chat Unity. Anyway, take a look at this. The back banner. So now I've done the shader for it, and I've gone around to do it.
Where your new self starts.
So that's the first one. The second one is this. The icon. The third one is just a scrolling gradient. And then the fourth one. And the best one. Everyone's gonna be obligated to use this one. If I get around to do the public base for like the booth in the dealer's den, if I get the booth, this is the scrolling banner that's gonna be in the back. On the public avatar, that's what's gonna be there.
Not if I create a shader and then slap it onto my own.
So I mean, you have to modify the texture anyway, yeah. And you can see the visors are broken right now on some of the skins because I do need to re-export. I've done some texture changes. Now the alpha is on the emission, not on the color one. And yeah, these ones, the emission is completely opaque. So yeah, no visor for these ones right now anymore until I fix it.
June is in 2 weeks.
Yes, I know. I'm fully aware. Man, this is so clever.
Just so it's Mike the Bird and itch.io.com/avgen.
MikeTheBird.itch.io/avgen. Looks really good though. As this scrolling banner, text banner, it looks good. It's a very clever use. So many colors, yes! Especially these ones. I mean, you don't see that right now because it's like... texture is like... not there yet. But if I had to use a different... one quick just to see. There you go.
I mean,
Colors.
the textures are be rainbows.
Rainbows.
All the color.
I'm really like the look of this one, but I think my one like that's tied favorite between this one and this one.
The Unus Annus.
I just got the Cyber Split because I don't think I can use the name Unus Annus in there. But Cyber Split is still a good name, I think.
I'm gonna call it the Unus Annus RE10 because it looks like.
Yeah, but of course, but for the thing, when I'm selling it, I can't call it the. I have to call it Cyber Split. Someone also called it the Happy Gen. Which I also like, but I feel like it was too cute. I had to find something a bit cooler. Call it the Happy Gen all you want, but my name is Cybersplit because it sounds a little cooler. Other one's too cute. Like, you wanna know what I do when something costs something that is cool cute? Like, that's definitely cool but not cute, and they call it cute. Do you know what I do to them? And I'm not even gonna reboot it. It's gonna be stuck like that forever. Goodbye.
That's mean, Mike.
Of course, I really do to my little my baby boy that I'm about to send in the wild in 2 weeks. Yeah, okay, I've gone a bit off topic from the webcam, but anyway, there's like 5 minutes left to the stream, so.
The stream.
Yeah. Let me see what I can do for the next 5 minutes. Like maybe put the buttons and then call it.
And let me see if I can boot your beak.
Where's the... Oh, there it is. Okay. Now I got it. Okay. So I got this. Low preset 2. Let me change these buttons. How do they look like on the current webcam? Okay, I will do a little bit thinner and less white too. Or actually, I can actually remove entirely the background. And put an icon next to it. Like that, put it there. Insert an image. Just gonna put right here. Wait, right there. And this can be, for example, like this. There you go, like a little shading thing. Instead the image to be non-raycast target. And the button is. And now what are the settings? So I've got. Let me remove the function of the button first. Do nothing. A bit of padding, there you go. And let's see those settings. So there is general settings. Okay, I'm gonna put the font to be like 30 max. Actually, just be 30. Okay, let me bring that again. So avatar calibration background. Avatar calibration. All right. Yeah, so I see actually out to end the stream soon anyway. So yeah. Okay, let's get those icons going. So avatar is gonna be the avatar icon. Calibration would be the calibration icon. Background would be the background. Integration would be this. And then this will be a disk. There you go. Hey Sierra. You come in right at but I'm about to end the stream, so yeah, I'm just finishing up something here. So yeah, okay. Okay. No, it's not a padding. Okay, so is it because of the width of these? No. You shall scale. What? So I can't check this. Ah. Okay, none of these work. Oh, well, the scale now is just completely wrong. I don't control the child size. How was it before, though? That's my question. How was it before? $75, okay. Reject, so don't check the first one. There we go. Okay, that's better. Now, these are all buttons that can be pressed. And now I do need to adjust this to be... I guess I can set no sprite. And then this maybe has a highlight or something. So normal color would be just like that highlighted, pressed. Like, let's see like that. Now there should be some kind of highlight. There you go.
I might just go ahead and go lay down before I land in this window.
You take this out. That looks sick. That looks nice.
Yeah, so I mean, it looks sick.
Easy.
It looks sleek.
Very modern, very nice.
Modern.
So when you press 1, it's gonna go in the sub menu for it. That's the plan. But yeah, for now, these buttons, I can keep them for now as like a temporary measure.
That's a lot of buttons.
Like, these buttons are just temporary right now. And just as a last little detail, I can even put at the top in the top info bar, just slide this in there.
In the beginning.
They go to the width. Actually stretched like that. There you go. There you go, and then I can put maybe a bit of margin this way. And there you go. And now I just change this to be like thick. There you go. Just a sleek little UI like that. Stay out, Aston. Hi, Aston. I was about to end the stream. I was just finishing up, just making this look slick.
Ed, why'd you bully the burb?
This looks slick. I still need to do the scroll, but that's gonna be the plan for the layout of it. But at least I got the settings app like working as well, like in terms of like a separate app. So that's really slick. Really nice. Ja, short drafting say yeah, Aww. Oh man. Well then. Well, welcome to the burp stream. Where we do burp stuff. And also never stop promoting something. June 1st! It's getting released. They're playing next season, I'm like, oh, ow. Oof. Well then, that's unfortunate. Very unfortunate, but yeah. Nice driving a volley, yes. Like, you can let that a volley drive. Yes, that's the exception.
If I drive it.
Yes, you. Whoever's in this call. Invisible to us.
You're facing the wrong way.
No, I'm speaking to the skies because you're somewhere in there. But we don't see you. But yeah. But yeah, I think that's probably where I'm gonna end off the stream. Getting a little late, but progress. Always good progress. Progress is always good.
Yeah, progress.
Got the settings app. It opens automatically when you boot up the webcam, and when you close up the webcam, it closes the app automatically as well, and the UI looks slick as well. So. Yeah. But yeah, so that means, yeah, this is the end of the stream. So that means it is time to go see someone else and go raid. So let's go see who to raid. So
Who are you gonna raid?
I have, okay. I don't see anyone in my followers list. But you see Devi is live.
Devi? Who's Devi?
Dev, you know Dev?
I know Dev, yes.
Yeah, well, they're streaming right now. What's the name of the channel? Cause Davian 513. All right, Davian 513. And I found. Yes, I found them. Alright, let's go say hi to Dev. And yeah, don't forget, as per usual, the raid message. Let me just. No, I clicked clip accident. Great channel.
Yeah, I got you.
There you go. Bam. Playing some Pokemon Pearl. Yeah, let's go right, Dev. And yeah, I'll see you Friday for some gaming. Until then. Also, by the way, Squawk message. Don't forget, not this, damn it. Damn. Squawk. And until then, stay safe and I'll catch you soon. See ya, peeps.